Have you ever made a child's bodysuit, a little baby bodysuit? Not the easiest thing, huh? But you know what? I have some tips and I'm going to make it easy for you. Let's do it. If you've ever made a baby onesie or bodysuit, then you know they're not the easiest things, especially the tiny, tiny ones. So you can get them into your hoop and they won't stretch all the way for a larger design. And then trying to get them centered right, because a lot of people, what I see is a lot of people end up, the only way they can make it fit is if they put the design pretty low on the bodysuit, and then it doesn't look quite right. It's down on the baby's tummy too far down and they're crawling around and whatever, and you just can't see it very well. So I have a different way of doing it, and so Kimberbell has come out with a great design. They're baby bodysuits, and they have a slit down the side. You can see it on the back here. They have a slit down the side. It's cut open so that you can easily hoop this. It's such a great idea. So we're gonna do that today. And then also there's this, the Snuggle is Real Petite Appliques for baby bodysuits. So we're gonna give that a try too. And I have a new grandchild coming in the summer, like June, end of June, I think. And so I'm going to make a baby bodysuit and share how we do it. So let's do one together. It'll be fun, I promise. Okay, so these adorable little bodysuits, they come in 2 packs, and you can get gray, which is gray stripes and gray dots, or pinkish peach. I think it's probably called peach, it looks more peach to me. Yep, blushing peach. So also in dots and stripes, and they come in sizes 3 to 6 months, or 6 to 9 months, and 9 to 12 months. 3 to 6, 6 to 9, and 9 to 12. So very, very cute. And I opened up one of them so that we could get started. And you can see it's this tiny little bodysuit, and then the whole side is all opened up. So after you hoop it and get your design all done, all you would do is stitch up the side, which I do this for all my kids' clothes. For the smaller grandkids' clothes, I stitch up the sides anyway. If you have a, what is that thing called? The thing that does the stitching, I don't have one. I don't remember what it's called, something with an S, but it closes up the side seam also, but you can do it on a regular sewing machine. That's what I do it all the time. So anyway, so cute little bodysuit, super easy to hoop, so that we can get a nice big design on the whole front of it. So let's go ahead and do this. This will be so fun. They're so cute. Great job, Kimberbell. All right, let's do it.